Okay, write down example. The three fields are given by A bar is equal to 2A bar X minus A bar Z, then B bar is equal to 2A bar X minus A bar Y plus 2A bar Z, then C bar is equal to 2A bar X minus 3A bar Y plus A bar Z. Find the scalar and vector triple product. Find the scalar and vector triple product. Okay, solution. Okay, so three vectors are given. Now we have to find scalar and vector triple product. So first find the scalar product. So what is the formula for scalar product? So it is A bar dot B bar cross C bar. Here also three vectors are A bar, B bar and C bar. That's why A bar dot B bar cross C bar is equal to, in determinant, it is equal to AX, AY, AZ, BX, BY, BZ and CX, CY, CZ. Okay. Actually, I cannot write in well manner. So understand. So this slate, due to slate, this is a problem. Okay. So it is equal to. Now, what is the x coordinate? This x coordinate is 2 in A bar vector. So it is 2. Then AY is equal to, what is AY in A bar vector? AY 0 and AZ is equal to minus 1. Then in B bar vector, BX is equal to 2. BY is minus 1 and BZ is 2. And C bar, in C bar vector, CX is equal to 2. CY is minus 3 and CZ is 1. Okay. Now solve this. It is equal to 2 into minus 1 into 1 is minus 1 minus 3 into minus 3 into 2, it is minus 6. So minus minus plus 6. Okay. And minus 0 into 2 into 1, it is 2. Minus 2 into 2, 4. Okay. And minus 1 into 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. And 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. And this minus minus plus 2. Okay. So it is equal to 2 into minus 1 and plus 6. It is plus 5. Plus 5 into 2 plus 10. Minus this whole term will be 0. And minus 1 into minus 4 in plus 2, minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. And minus 4 into minus 1 is plus 4. So it is equal to 14. Means A bar dot B bar cross C bar is equal to 14. Scalar triple product is a scalar quantity. Always box your answer so that examiner can directly check your answer. Okay. Your write-up must be clean and very neat. Okay. Actually, I cannot write on slate very easily. It's difficult to write and use this slate. Okay. So everyone understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now second one is vector triple product. So what is formula for vector triple product? A bar cross B bar cross C bar is equal to. So what is the trick? Trick is back minus cap. Okay. So it is equal to B bar into what will be there? Back means B bar into A bar dot C bar, right? Dot product minus cap means C bar into bracket A bar dot B bar. Okay. Now first we have to find this dot product. Okay. A bar dot C bar and A bar dot B bar. So A bar dot C bar is equal to. So A bar is equal to 2A bar X minus A bar Z dot product with C bar is equal to 2A bar X minus 3A bar Y plus A bar Z. Okay. It is equal to. Now the first quantity. So 2 into 2 scalar product, dot product is a scalar quantity. Okay. So 2 into 2 is 4. Now there is no y term. So it is equal to 0. And a bar z has coefficient -1 into this +1 is equal to plus -1, that is 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, and this is a bar dot c bar. Similarly, find a bar dot b bar also. So what is this a bar dot b bar? A bar is 2a bar x minus a bar z minus, sorry, dot product with b bar is 2a bar x minus a bar y plus 2a bar z. So 2 into 2, 4. Again y term is 0 here. Minus 1 into -2, that is plus 2. Okay. So it is equal to 2. And it is a bar dot b bar. Okay. सगळ्यांना समजलंय का हे?
हो मॅडम.
Okay. Now just put this in equation of a bar cross b bar cross c bar is equal to. Now what is vector b bar? B bar is equal to 2a bar x minus a bar y plus 2a bar z into, so what is a bar dot c bar? It is equal to 3 and minus, again vector c bar is 2a bar x a bar x minus 3 a bar y plus a bar z into a bar dot b bar is 2. So it is equal to 3 into 2, that is 6 a bar x minus 3 a bar y plus 6 a bar z minus 2 into 2, 4 a bar x minus 6, sorry, minus plus 6 a bar y and minus 2 a bar z. Okay, let's just solve this. 6 a bar x minus 4 a bar x is 2 a bar x minus 3 a bar y plus 6 a bar y is plus 3 a bar y and plus 6 a bar z minus 2 a bar z is plus 4 a bar z. And it is a bar cross b bar cross c bar. ओके, समजलंय सगळ्यांना?
हो मॅडम.
लिहून घेतलंय का सगळ्यांनी?
हो.
इरेज केलं चालेल ना एव्हरीवन?
Yes.
झालंय का लिहून?
हो झालंय मॅडम.
काय काय जणांचं राहिलंय ना.
मॅडम जरा
हा
द्यायचं राहिलंय, थांबा थोडं.
ओके. की झालंय? हॅलो, झालंय का?
झालं.
ओके. सगळ्यांना समजलंय ना? So you have to remember this formulae. So there are some tricks. Actually, in books no trick is given, but I am telling you. So you have to note at every time. Okay. So there are so many formulae. So how can you remember all these formulae? So what can you do? What are you doing to remember formulae? So for EME subject, you in your notebook you have to leave some blank pages at first, or if you started at first, you can write this formulae at last pages. At least 2 to 3 pages you have to keep blanks, so that you can note this formulae, and there are so many formulae you have to remember. Okay. So every time you note this formulae. If there are formulae, then note at that last or first pages and give numbers, give boxes, or write it as per your method, and you have to read that every morning. Okay, so that you can remember that formula. Okay. So every morning you have to revise this formula so that you can remember all. Okay, and you have to remember all formula. You have to revise all formula. Okay, not only one formula. Okay, because if I teach you one formula today, then tomorrow you will revise only one formula. No, you have to revise all formula at every morning so that you can solve each and every example. Okay. Now we'll see the next example. Write down. Find a bar dot a bar cross b bar, given that a bar एक minute. Given that a bar is equal to 2a bar x plus 2a bar y and b bar is equal to 3a bar x plus 4a bar y minus 2a bar z. Solution. So how to find? Now the same vector is given. A bar. So first find a bar cross b bar if the same vectors are given. Actually the answer will be same, but now a bar x, a bar y, a bar z, and now coordinates of a bar are 2, y coordinate is 2, z coordinate is 0. Then b bar is 3, 4 and minus 2. So solve this first. It is equal to a bar x into bracket minus 4 minus 0 minus a bar y into bracket minus 4 minus 0 and plus a bar z into bracket 8 minus 6. Okay, so it is equal to minus 4 a bar x minus minus plus 4 a bar y and plus 8 minus 6 is plus 2 a bar z.